Hello guys, in this tutorial we will discuss about Beaver Builder. In our previous tutorial we already discussed that how we can create a web page using Beaver Builder using template. Okay, so now this tutorial we'll see how we can use some of elements. Like once we click on plus symbol, you can see these are the modules like audio, buttons, group, button, heading. So let's create three buttons in our row. Okay, there should be three buttons in one row. So how we can use that? Always using Beaver Builder. Okay, using Beaver Builder we will always use a row first. Okay, so here you can see at the top modules, rows, templates and saved. So these are the things we'll use always. So first thing we need to use, and that is rows. So just click on rows first. Okay, so now once we click on rows, you can see these three columns. So as we would like to add three buttons in a row, you can use that. Otherwise you can directly use button group. So before use button group, first create a column, the rows first. So this is the row you can see. So in this row we will use button group. Okay, just drag and drop. Now you can see there is only one button. Click here. So we will just do one thing, just copy again and copy again. So here you can see three buttons, back to back three buttons in a one row. You can use more buttons like these, more buttons. Okay, and we will change this accordingly. Click here one. Okay, click here two. Click here three. Click here four. Okay, now you can see the buttons. Okay, we'll add some style over there. So here you can see the style. Once we click on style tab, you can see align for left side, middle and right side. So we'll just use the middle section as of now so that it will look good. Okay, now you can see it's a middle, right? You can add border radius. So just scroll down and at the bottom you can see radius and shadows. So just use 30, suppose 20, whatever, and just click on this so that it will be appear for all. Now you can see. Okay, so and then save the changes. So once you save the changes, you can see these four buttons are display in one row. You can in the row you can add, you can stretch the row, you can increase the width, actually full width. Just click on setting options. You can see width fix, it should be full width. Okay, so once you click on full width, after that you can see content width, that should be also full width. Okay, it's all full width. You can see the rows is full width. Then save the changes. If you would like to add a background color behind the buttons, you can just click on rows. You can see the row settings. You need to click on rows, then style, scroll down, you can see background, then type should be color. Okay, you can use a gradient color as well, whatever you need. So as of now I am just adding background color. So you can see this, whatever you want, you just select. Okay, you just select, or you can add your custom color code. So that's it, and after that done and publish. So now you can see four buttons are appear in one row. Okay, I hope it will help you to add buttons in a one row using Beaver Builder. Okay, Thank you. In our next tutorial we will discuss more about Beaver Builder. Okay, till then take care and bye bye.